Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is totally based on handmade, hand creative, hand embroidered design ideas of your baby girl frocks. Yes friends, all of these ideas are latest, trendy and simple and easy to make. Your baby will feel comfortable and would look stylish and at the same time elegant, and a very beautiful creative designer style look could be created for your baby girl frocks just by following these embroidery patterns. And one more creative tip and a unique style idea and pattern from my today's video is that these all patterns of embroidery could be used in 3 different ways or dimensions. That one, you can use these patterns for hand embroidery. Number 2, you can use these patterns for machine embroidery. And number 3, you can use these patterns for computer embroidery as well. All of these techniques would go absolutely fine with these patterns. So before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, my upcoming videos. And don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content. Friends, the basic theme and the basic creativity of our today's ideas, of our today's design, and the main focus of my today's video concern is to share some creative and ethnic style ideas for your baby girls. That is frocks, that is some short shirts along with tulip shalwars, plazos, tights, and any type of bottom that you like to pair up for your baby girl dress. Do try these patterns. All of them are new, trendy, stylish, simple, easy to make and elegant at the same time. And rather than spending a lot of money for buying online and by visiting markets, heavily paid designer dresses that are totally handmade or handwork based, just try these patterns and create a beautiful designer style touch of your baby dresses and become a designer of your own baby. For more latest fashion updates, designing ideas related to women fashion, home decor ideas, hand art and many more creativities, stay tuned and watch our content on daily basis. Keep supporting us as you always have been.